Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the PDFs you want to convert and confirming they are truly scanned images. Otherwise, extraction is trivial. Install and open your chosen OCR tool. I recommend one with table recognition. Once done, configure language and DPI settings because OCR accuracy depends on those. Set 300 DPI for loose prints, higher for receipts. Make sure Excel is ready for import and that any plugins or API keys are active. This prevents interruptions mid-process. You now run OCR with table detection turned on so the software identifies rows and columns automatically. After the pass, review text confidence and quickly correct misread letters. Pay special attention to headers, merged cells, and numeric formats because those break Excel logic. Then export using a structured format. CSV for quick work, XLSX when you need styles preserved. Make sure to select UTF-8 and check delimiter settings. This avoids shifted columns once you open the file in Excel. You finish by importing the exported file into Excel using data from text/CSV, explicitly setting delimiters and data types so numbers remain numeric. Then clean up. Use text to columns to split combined fields, formulas to unify date and number formats, and find /replace for common OCR artifacts. Once columns validate against source totals, save as XLSX and archive the original PDF and an export log. If column shifts occur, re-export with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.